Hello, my name is Jeff Russ. I'm the marketing manager with the Waikem Auto family. We're at our Kia store today, Waikem Kia in Massillon, Ohio. We've got the 2019 Kia Sorento. This is the first 2019 vehicle we have for sale. It's an exciting model because every single one now has a third row seat standard, and it's got tons of great safety and entertainment technology. So let's kind of take a quick walk around and show you everything that is exciting about this year's Sorento. Like I said, the main exciting thing is that standard third row. Our customers have asked us, hey, we need a Sorento, but we need a third row. And now instead of being an option, it's now available. Every single Kia Sorento will have that third row. This one here is loaded. You'll love this vehicle. You see it's got heated leather seats, it's got a panoramic sunroof, it's got plenty of trunk space. Even with that third row, you still, with the power liftgate as you see, you still get plenty of trunk space there. Easy to fold down these seats as well. Sometimes you have more cargo needs than people need. So this Sorento, real easy to get the seats up and down. And then we're gonna go inside and just kind of quickly show you some features. As you'll see, the Sorento is one of the safest vehicles. You have blind spot monitoring, forward collision warning, adaptive cruise control, real nice touchscreen center console. You got navigation on this one. If you go to the menus, you'll see it's got Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Real popular, real safe way to connect your phone to your to the Sorento. This one, like I said, this is the top of the line model, so it also has a heated steering wheel, cooled seats, heated seats. This week it seems like we've needed both depending on how it was in the morning. Real nice camera too as well, 365 degree. You get the backup, but you also get what's happening all around you. So this is a really safe vehicle. Like we said, it fits 7 every single Sorento. So bring the whole family in to Waikem Kia. We're in Massillon, Ohio, or go to waikemkia.com to see more pictures and learn more about the Sorento.